See what I have to go through. Yo.
Yeah, best part about road trip is always McDonald's.
We are trying to find the McDonald's.
No, we found it, but you don't want to go in there.
Oh my god, something is up your ass this morning.
And you said we have to go to the one that GPS tells us, even though it's right in front of our face.
See what I have to go through. He doesn't want to buy me McDonald's.
There was McDonald's literally in front of our face, and I even stopped my car. Say,
No, you were like, you half-assed it. You didn't stop it completely because you weren't sure either. But like our GPS, this is why I like Google Map better, because the iPhone one, it's slow. It's like 2 minutes slow, so it doesn't really, it's not very like, 뭐라 그러지? It's slow. Oh, I look like I'm like really like blushing, like.
Hey, by the way.
I like my blush today.
Oh, that's great.
I like this combination. Anyways, I got 2 hash browns and 2 sausage burritos.
Woo!
So hash browns for you.
Thanks, baby.
I'll give you the burrito when we are on highway or something.
No problem.
And I got him black coffee. I got a vanilla coffee.
맛있다.
맛있어?
맛있다. Yeah, best part about road trip is always McDonald's. It's the beginning.
It is.
That's where it starts. I love it.
Sausage burrito. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Whoa. Whoa. Here, I'll pull over.
No.
Excuse me.
My girlfriend has something to say to you.
Say it, baby.
I haven't had this in a while. It's really good.
Yeah, actually, we haven't.
Well, I'm pretty sure once we get there, we're gonna go for lunch or something.
Yeah. This is just getting up.
So we won't tell them that we ate something.
Do you ever?
No,
Seems like whenever we go out to eat, you eat something before.
I don't.
I'm just kidding.
What?
Where are we going?
I don't think we even talked about where we're going today. I just kind of started off with me eating McDonald's. But we're actually going to visit my sister in Champaign, Champaign. That's south, super south, southwest kind of Chicago. Yeah, we're gonna just go and see her and grab yummies. We didn't really know until really recently that her husband's birthday is on 1st, which is in 2 days. So we wanted to, and apparently, you know, because his birthday falls on a new year, he was never, you know, he never really celebrated. So we wanted to spend it as like a family. So we're going down to see them. So yeah, I think we have about like 40 minutes left, 40 maybe 45 minutes, and then we'll be there. So because we're driving from downtown Chicago, it's actually really, it feels much closer than coming from like up north where we used to live, and it's just really a straight shot.
So boring. This road is so boring. Just
it's driving me nuts. It's driving us nuts right now.
Oh, but if you drive here at night, it's just done. Because there's not even one like light.
Oh yeah, that is so true. They don't have street light.
Yeah, for like it's a 2 hour
It's
straight
hell.
shot. That's-
Yeah, you'll start hallucinating. No, but seriously, yeah, but we'll get there. Usually the drive back is faster, so. So we went to Cafe Bene. Yes, they do have Cafe Bene here. It was a little different. They had like a bunch of they had more snacks and more like meal stuff. You know, like something small, simple. But we picked up. I picked up 2 chocolate ganache cake. Just 2 pieces. They didn't have candles, so hopefully my sister has like one, like, you know, laying around or something. Hello. So it's currently 4 in the afternoon and we are heading back to Chicago from Urbana, Champaign. We had a great lunch. We went back to my sister's house and we just talked and just hung out, ate more like snacks. Yeah, but we wanted to head back before it's too late, and you know, Emma's been alone for a little bit. So we're gonna head back now, and hopefully, I don't think there's gonna be any traffic. It's gonna take about like 2 hours for us. We're gonna head back. We don't know the plan for the rest of the night, but tomorrow we have to wake up early to drop off Ahmed at like a pet hotel, and then we're gonna go snowboarding. Woot woot. So we don't know our plan for today. This is the thing that my sister bought Ahmed. It's like interactive. Like it's supposed to help them like calm down and just relax and kind of like focus on that. So she thought it might be helpful for him. It's so cute. He actually really likes it. Like you hide the kibbles in each like slot and whatever. So they, you know, they like kind of have a, what is it, like a task. Oh my god, Mimi loves it, huh? Mr. Mimi loves it. No, eventually I think he's gonna just like lift the whole thing up and just shake it. The moment he realizes that,
it's much easier to just...
yeah, shake it and like...
좀 찾아봐.
Look, what is that? Yeah, in there.
스트레스 형 여기
Okay, right here.
여기
Right here.
아멘.
Oh my, he's gonna look that up. Oh, is there one in there? Oh, there's one in there. He's gonna rip it. Come out. I don't wanna, I can't help you. Oh, it's done. Oh, look. 귀여워.
오. 여기. 아멘.
Sit on.
Come on.
Just get up. I mean, right here. No. Look. I mean, look. What's in there? What am I making? I'm making a BIBIMBAP. Oh my god, look how small this egg is. So small. And then my mom gave me this pickled kimchi. Looks like that. So I'm gonna put some in there. So cute. Really beat eggs. Okay. 미소 마루찬. Our dinner. Ooh, looks so good. I'm gonna put some gochujang. Does anybody recognize this? Or I don't even know if I showed you. I did show it to you guys. This is the thing that I brought to Paris. We had a lot left over, so I'm just going to add it in like that. And then this is 참기름 or sesame oil. Put it in like that. 전 남은 것도 넣었어. Smells so good. I think it's okay. Mm-hmm. So there's this show on Netflix called Black Mirror, but they have a movie out. And it's kind of an interactive movie where you get to choose, like, you get to decide for the character and it has a different outcome. Is it good?
It's good.
Yeah? But, like, it kind of sucks because if you have, like, the older TVs, you can't watch it.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it doesn't, like, I thought they would just get rid of the option of choosing,
and play the movie, right?
But you actually just can't watch it.
맛있지?
조금 더 넣어도 될 것 같다.
소스? 좀 더 넣을까?
달아. 소스가 달아.
Oh, is this on right now?
Oh, I was kind of watching it. Damn, it's getting scary. This because a lot of people, one of my friends doesn't want to watch this because she says it's too real. It seems too real. Like it's something that is really possible in the future, you know?
I mean, some of them are, like China using a social system, like a credit system.
Okay. It's udon maruchan.
It's not really udon, but
Yeah, it doesn't really look like udon. Just
it's good.
definitely still tastes like maruchan.
Right? But 맛있어.
I love maruchan.
No, the soup has gotten more thicker, more rich, like in flavor, like compared to.
Still maruchan. 전이랑도 먹고 맛있다.
What do you call a written game? You always fucking that was a fold, isn't it? No, it's a choose your own vegetable. Next door! You want me to actually do that? Oh, no.
낙조그마불.
We haven't gone to the dog park for lately because we've been so busy, right? We'll go soon. You and I will go soon, okay? Get the eye booger out. Can I get your eye booger out? Yeah. I love you, Mr. Poochie. Look how cute your paw is. Yeah, look at this part. Oh, you're so cute. Mr. Ame is so cute. Mr. Ame. Tell me something. Tell me a secret. Tell me a secret. Tell me a secret.
Don't do it.
Tell me a secret.
She's gonna use it against you.
Tell me. Can you tell me something about Dada? Tell me. Did he ever bring another woman inside this house?
No, Babe. Don't talk to her.
He did?
No, she's crazy.
Are you gonna tell me?
No.
You're gonna tell me. Tell me.
Fight the urge.
You want chicken? Yeah, then tell me. If you want chicken, tell me. If you want chicken, you have to tell mommy. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Yay! Subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.